Use the definition of a derivative to find f prime of x. So the definition is as follows. F prime of x is equal to the limit of f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x as delta x approaches 0. Now your f of x that you're given here is 1 minus x squared. So what you're going to do is just going to go ahead and find the derivative of x, f of x. So you got your limit, delta x approaches 0. Now what you're going to do is you'll plug x plus delta x into x. So it'll be 1 minus x plus delta x squared minus 1 minus x squared. See, this right here is this, right? And this right here, let me use different color. Is this. Now, f prime of x is equal to the limit of 1 minus x plus delta x times x plus delta x. Okay, so then minus 1 minus x squared divided by delta x. So f prime of x equals the limit delta x approaches 0. So now just FOIL 1 minus x squared plus x delta x plus x delta x plus delta x squared minus 1 minus x squared all over delta x. So f prime of x equals limit delta x approaches 0, 1 minus x squared, and this negative on the outside applies to everything inside parentheses, so make everything else the opposite side. Negative x delta x, negative x delta x, negative delta x squared, minus, and then because there's negative in front of these brackets, it's going to be a negative inside, negative 1, and the opposite side inside, positive x squared, all over delta x. So f prime of x equals the limit of delta x approaching 0. And what you want to do, I'm just going to recopy the last line over and just combine like terms. 2 delta x minus delta x squared minus 1 plus x squared divided by delta x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cancel out in front of you so that we can see how everything just knocks out very easily. 1 minus x squared minus 2x delta x minus delta x squared minus 1 plus x squared divided by delta x, right? So right here it's going to be positive 1 and negative 1. They cancel out, different signs. You've got negative x squared, right, and positive x squared, they cancel out, different signs. You're going to be left with f prime of x equals the limit of delta x approaching 0, negative 2x delta x minus delta x squared divided by delta x. So what you want to do is you want to divide by your GCF. And when you divide by your GCF right here is delta x. So in the numerator and denominator, divide by delta x. And that will be f prime of x equals the limit as delta x approaches 0. And negative 2x delta x divided by delta x. It's going to be negative 2x. And then minus delta x squared will be minus delta x. And delta x divided by delta x will be just 1. So then it'll be the limit of negative 2x minus delta x as delta x approaching 0. And then what you're going to do is just substitute. So it'll be negative 2x plus and minus 0 equals negative 2x. So the f the derivative is going to be equal to negative 2x.